Hi, third graders. This is Miss DeBoer here, and I'm going to walk you through how to do this fun little back to school math activity that we have this week. So, here on the first page, and it's going to come up as a Google slide, and you will get to it through your Google Classroom. As soon as you open it, it will open your own personal file, so all you'll have to do is navigate through this Google slide, okay? The first page, you're going to type your name, so it says my name, type here. So if I click where it says type here, it'll give me the typing box and I can just type in my name. Easy. You're going to type in your name, okay? All right, and then we have 3 pages here. If I click through, 1, 2, 3 of work for you to do this week, okay? It's pretty simple second grade review that we're doing. So let's start with page 1. So of course, the first thing I'm going to do is read the directions carefully, right? So I would read this carefully, read the question carefully, use words, numbers, or pictures to show your thinking. Be sure to write your answer in complete sentences. Okay, and then I have a word problem here. I'm going to let you read that, okay? Because you're going to be doing the solving here. A teacher tip on the side is a little tip that I added here for you to help you do a better job. So this teacher tip says, you can drag the coins into the picture box to show your work. So here's my picture box, picture or equation, and I can actually drag these coins. And you can, if you notice, I can drag as many as I'd like. They never go away down here. There's always more. If you decide you added too many, you can just put them back by dragging them back down to where you found them. So all of these tools here, although you have a dime, you have a quarter, and you have a penny, they can all be dragged in. Okay. And then here it says optional, type the equation here. So an equation is a number sentence, right? If I wanted to type an equation, I could do something like 25 cents plus 2 cents. I'm not looking at the word problem, just giving you an example. Equals 27 cents. That's an equation. Okay, so you can type an equation there. All right, and then you can type an explanation on how you solved it here. This will let you type a lot of different information. I found the answer by, and you would just keep explaining, okay? All right, so the next one is all about doubles. So there is an example here. It says 1 plus 1 equals, well, that's easy, 2, right? So you're going to drag these doubles over to the matches area. So let's do 2 plus 2. Okay, I want you to think in your head. 2 plus 2 equals, you can shout it out, and then find the sum here. One of these answers is correct, and you will drag the correct one to equal it. All right, that's pretty simple. And the last page is fact families. Hopefully you remember these from second grade. I will be doing another video on fact families, so make sure you watch it before you do this, okay? All right, teacher tip. Think about 2 addition equations and 2 subtraction equations for each fact family. And then there's an example. 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 1 is 4, and so forth. So for A, you have the numbers 2, 3, and 5. And we type our answer here. Can you think of a way that we could use 2, 3, and 5 in an addition sentence? Think about it. Maybe we could do 2, and I can delete backspace to get rid of type. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Does that make sense? Yeah, right? So you're going to type in your 4 fact families, and for more information, watch my other quick video on fact families, okay? If you're not sure how to do the plus or minus or the equal sign, they're located on your keyboard near the numbers at the top, and you can ask a parent for help, all right? Okay, well, I hope this helps. When you get to the last page, it just says, keep up the good work. You will submit it on Google Classroom, and then you're done. Good job. All right, we're so excited to have you guys as our new third graders. Bye.